So today we got a special visitor and guest. What do you got here? My man got a beautiful caddy, son. What? Chevy Power, son. My man Pete. What up, kid? Zah. My man pulled up in a nice caddy, son. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Chevy, brother.
Yes, sir.
Yo, so what's the deal, kid? Shit, come over here, son. Come here. Zah. Good to see you, man.
Same, man.
Oh man, I should have worn my shirt today. Yo, that's a nice one. That's a new one, right?
No, this is actually the old one.
Oh really?
The new one.
Oh really? Man, I should have wore it today, bro. So what you got, man?
I brought it by.
Oh, I like to see that.
I broke it, but I brought it for you to see it. Look,
My man, the boss is here. Oh, she got to come out. You want to have a Zach coffee first?
Yeah.
Let's have a Zanica Fair, Zach.
She came to see Oreo.
Come on. We got Pete's boss in the house. The captain of the organizer of the races in Philly, right here. Yeah. When she speaks, everyone listens, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's like,
over here just talking the brap talk. You know, when you with brap brothers and sisters, we just talk real stuff, braptastic stuff.
yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's, when people like us get together, we can talk forever.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Damn, how you do that? Oh, you got. Oh, Chloe, you see this? She knows the tricks with Oreo. What the? Look at him chilling over here. You what, man? Oh snap!
Oh man.
All right, brother.
Salud.
Too bad it's too early today. We'd have a little Mavum.
Hey, there you
Unless
go.
if you want some, we can
No,
have
a
them.
little
But
too early.
I mean, it's like it's early, bro.
Little too early.
Oh, I can't believe. Chloe, you see this? What? I think he's gonna go home with her. He's gonna go home. Now, Pete's here to pick up his Primal DRAGSTER, kid.
Yes,
To
sir.
join in on the fun. Maybe stir the pot around, you know what I'm saying?
Let's see what happens.
Big Pete, no joke.
Yeah, let's see
He's
what
got
happens.
he brought his work of art, drag Baja here. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna do a walk around of it. Sorry for the mess, Pete. I used to like have fun here, bro. I can't even walk in this bitch. Let me take this out. Yeah, make room in your truck. I'll bust this guy out.
The one all the way in the corner.
You see my RC over there, boss?
You see Oreo's car? That thing is huge. This is the one that we
You seen this one, right?
Yeah. Well, remember, we were all at the show when they revealed it.
Yeah.
This thing is beautiful.
That's yeah, I gotta go over it, man.
You haven't ran it?
Oh yeah, I ran it. I jumped this thing lots
Well, I mean,
of
in a
times.
while.
I haven't run it in a while. No, I gotta. Right now it's 2-wheel drive, and it's fun 2-wheel drive, bro.
For real?
Yeah, I blew the front diff, but yo, it's fun 2-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But this is still stock engine.
But I'm gonna tell you, you need a Chevy body.
Oh, without a doubt, Pete. You know it.
You
Yo,
know that, brother.
and guess what I heard, man? I think in a few months we're gonna have them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it's gonna be the '70s box style Chevy.
Oh okay.
I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
I'm down with any Chevy.
It's a Chevy.
But he said he was looking into a modern Chevy body, but he would have to pay what was that? Licensing from
Okay.
Chevy.
Okay.
That's the only thing, you know. He would have to talk to them. He said he may look into it,
Hey.
you know. But supposedly, what sucks is if someone gets a license of that to do that, the name that you're using, they take out like 150 or 200 bucks of each whatever product that you sell
So there's a
off.
percentage.
Yeah, and he don't want to raise the price, you know.
Right.
So,
Mhm.
so you know, but
No matter what, whatever style Chevy, it'll be.
yo, any Chevy's good with me, man. And keep the price, you know, normal, you know.
Yeah.
But yo, bro,
There you go.
happy to see you, bro.
There you go.
I can't wait to see you back in action, kid. You had a Primal before, right?
I had one and I got rid of it.
Now you're gonna be stirring the pot, kid.
Oh yeah.
Yo, so this is a roller.
Yep.
Some people are confused. The roller comes with everything except for an engine, bro.
Right.
And remote.
remote.
And it comes with servos, bro.
Oh yeah.
Comes with servos. Comes with everything, bro.
Yeah, the one I had was RTR.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have these fuel tanks already, right? The gas tanks. And the pump, everything is in here.
There you go, hon. Where you at?
Uh-oh.
Look. These things are great.
The boss is gonna be racing this one?
Yes, she is.
No way.
Yes,
Oh,
she
you're gonna be stirring the pot, boss? For real?
She's gonna race Larry.
Oh, Larry don't want none of this, man. Oh,
Yep, she's gonna
oh
race
man.
Larry.
I can't wait for September 13, bro. Oh my God.
I'm hoping my tires be here on time.
Oh, dude, me too. You know, some friends of mine are worried, bro. I had to get them Primal slicks.
Yeah.
You know, I had to get James. He's worried. He's like, oh, dude, you know, he got Primal slicks.
Right.
He ain't waiting no more for the bishops.
Right. I got a set. I always have, but they're 3 inches.
Dude, my bishops snapped, bro. It peeled off. I'll show you. I have it downstairs. Right. But let's do a walk around your work of art.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your Primal DRAGSTER,
Thank
kid.
you.
Congrats.
Yeah.
I hope to see you out there running and spanking that ass on people. What? Yo, what are you gonna do? Sportsman class or extreme on this?
Yeah, I'm doing sports.
Oh, nice. Oh, Zach.
I blew my 4 inches, so I got the 3.5 on there.
Uh-huh. That wing is sick, bro.
Yeah, I love that wing. Thank you. Sturdy.
Yeah, I like how you have the high volt on the tire. Nice. Oh, it's a badass wheelie bar.
Yeah, I'm waiting on my next shipment of them.
I may need that for one of my future off-road rotors I have planned on doing, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
That looks like it's heavy duty right there. Serious.
I'm actually making I'm getting them done now with double tires too.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna probably need that for my bachelors. Yeah. Oh shit.
Night.
Oh man, Pete was testing yesterday.
Yep.
And look at that. Yo, he snapped that claw right in half. This is second speed claw.
Yeah.
This is still good. This feels
Oh,
good.
that's good. Yeah, I got extra claws, so I can fix.
Oh, you have extra of these?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. This feels like a good metal right here.
That's from RC Max.
Very nice. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe this metal feels like looks like it seems to be good quality. I can't believe you snapped it, bro.
Yeah, it snapped after like the 3rd hit.
Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Look at this beauty, kid.
Thank you. Yeah, I hung it up, but I got a little fire under my feet, so now I'm coming back.
Junkyard dog, huh?
Yes, sir. I wanted to put spikes on them. So I wanted to put some spikes.
Very cool, bro.
Thank you.
All right, good shit, man. Yo, Pete. Man, it should be high octane RC, kid. Man, look at that brat brother right there. Happy to see you, kid. Climb stairs. You don't climb.
You gotta bring him down.
Yeah, so I'm working on this guy. Oh, yeah. That's where he chills all the time, right here. I just haven't been down here.
Okay. That's a new motor.
So this is what happened to me at the race yesterday. I still have to do all the videos of the racing, man. Wow. I hate editing, but I mean, I got to shorten everything, right? So, but yeah, I had a tire failure, and then everything changed.
So if it wasn't for that, you would have been number 1.
Well, who knows? Probably could have won. Definitely won a race or something like that. Who knows?
It looks good.
But yeah, I had to keep fighting Larry, bro, with this thing like this.
For real?
Yeah, it was a rough one, bro.
Yeah, well, Larry, it's rough.
Yeah, it was rough.
It was rough. Yeah,
My man Larry, no joke.
Mm-hmm. Plenty of times I have had to race Larry. You gotta be on your toes with him. Yeah.
Damn.
Tracks are looking good.
You know, one thing I learned is if I have to race Larry again, I gotta no C4, bro. I can't drink none of that shit. Man, I was like this.
Put it in the car.
Yeah, I've got to put some in the car, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good, man.
Oh shit.
Next one will be a big block, but this one I'm gonna build.
Man, it's just headaches, bro. I can't wait to do a sportsman. You have fun, bro.
Right.
You can do little tricks, little things here or there. Everybody's more or less equal.
Mm-hmm.
You know, all comes down to mechanics, skill of driving.
Right.
That's where it comes down to.
Mm-hmm.
And also, the sportsman class also makes engine builders open up, like get better at that thing.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Because if everyone's equal, and it all comes down to, comes down to driver, comes down to quality of parts, everything improves.
Yes,
If the more and more people do sportsman, everything will improve.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at for the past what,
A lot of engine builders are trying to do as well as Bartolone's work, so which is good for everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Makes them open their ass now.
Yeah, you're right about that. Yeah.
So this is a good thing.
Yeah. From what it was 3-4 years ago to now,
Yes, sir.
it's a different ball game. And I tell a lot of the newbies, I tell them, look, we did all the hard work. The only thing you have to do is build now.
Exactly. Yep.
You know?
Yep. Yo, and a lot of the people today from your generation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Teach the newbies today.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yo, they didn't teach me shit. They were like stingy modes, like stingy, bro.
I mean,
I'd be like, oh shit, and then all of a sudden they put their back on me, bro. I said, get the fuck out of
yeah,
here.
it was like that for a good
Yeah.
while. It was, because
I'm like, you
the way it
mother.
was before, everybody, we were all trying to figure it out, and we didn't want the next man to know
Yes,
what we were doing.
yes.
But now everything's a level playing field, so
Yeah.
I mean, still
Man.
2 or 3 tricks up the sleeve.
Of course.
But
Yeah.
it's all in the driver right now. Besides other little things.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
Yeah, this thing looks good.
Thank you, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just gonna be another job and a half, dude. It's gonna like I'm gonna have to stop messing with this. So, I'm good with that. Whatever happens, happens. I have my fun. I did get to do a couple of things. I'm not good at the tree, but I did some nice speed runs with this shit. I had to actually slow it down so I can control it better. I have a lot of weight up front and the bottom. So now I got to spend time on this shit. Oh, man. And then sportsman class, because my engine's over here. Yo, you know what? Since you're here, Pete, let me call my friend Batter Aller.
Yeah.
Batter Al from Kuwait to ask him if it's okay to unbox that. Now, Pete right here sent me this package. I did not open it. This is going to Kuwait. You think we'll open it up?
If he's okay with it, I'm okay.
Yeah. This is Batter Al's engine. This is that Bartolone recase. Oh, so Pete, check this shit out, bro. Oh man, I don't know if I should. It's already like.
All packed up.
Look at this baby here. Yeah, that's Batter Al's Zeneca Fez. Happy to see your read case.
Oh yeah. You know what?
This guy going over there to Kuwait to stir the pot.
It looks way different when you see it in person.
Uh-huh.
Looks way better.
And there's some different little things you can see here. The best way is removing the head, and you see the job he does.
Right.
But this is his case.
Yeah, this is
Bartolone's case. But
oh no, he does great work.
But let me see. Let me call him up. He sent it to me. Meanwhile, we could have unboxed it together, kid. Damn. Hide. Oh damn. So we got some goodies from Pete.
Yeah, you got the carbon fiber eliminator.
Nice. Yo, that's sweet.
Aluminum rear plate.
Wow. I don't have this, bro.
I'll be having more stuff.
Zah. Very nice, kid. Yeah, it's super light,
Same
man.
guy that does my Willy bars.
Yeah? Wow, beautiful. Damn. And what I like about it, it's still durable.
Yeah.
And it don't flex like mine is.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, but skinny. I mean, I've had it for 3 years, and I've crashed it. It's a Roven one.
Okay.
That's the Roven one. This chassis is 3 years old. Same chassis I've used since day one, and this too. But this here, man, this here I would have no problem putting it here. Yeah.
When I get more, I got you.
Wow.
I'm just waiting on my guy.
Next year, I don't know, man. Now I have so many things, but I think I'm going to change a few things.
Okay.
Next year, yeah. Next year we'll do probably a 4.0 build. But we'll see.
I'm at 2.0. I
Yeah,
didn't do a 3.0 on mine.
But yeah, very cool, man. So this is going over to Kuwait. Batter Al's got some serious goodies. I gotta send all this to him. Plus his engine. Damn. All right, nice having you here, Pete. Boss.
I'll be back around.
Until next time, kid.
Beautiful day.
Congrats again on your Primal.
Thank you.
Is the boss coming on September 13th?
I'm hoping.
Oh, I'm hoping too. We may need your help.
Why?
There's gonna be so many people, and we need those lungs you got. What? What? When she talks, everyone listens, kid.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
You gotta be effing kidding me. What? Look at this guy, dude. What? You. Man. I can't believe this.
Oh, boy.
He's like, no, don't go.
Yeah, don't go. Look. You got a personal massager now. See that?
Yo, oh man, got the monster. Look at Oreo. Look at Oreo. He misses the boss already, bro. Take care, man. See you, bro. What? What? No more belly rubs for you, kid.